Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS border styles. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS border style with dashed value. The dashed value. So back to our document, we're having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS dotted border. And right now we are going to be using the dashed value. So the inside our border right here, we are having our border style property. Then we are going to specify dashed. Let's use dashed. The dashed value. Now let's save our document and reload. Can you see the kind of dash we are having here? Can you see? It's looking nice, right? And also we can use this also with our fit set element, fit set class. With our fit set class, reload your document. Can you see? The same thing occurs here. In our previous tutorial, if you check our previous tutorial on our dotted border, you are going to understand what I mean by this. Can you see it's gray out instead of it to have deep black color? But it's not having deep black color, it's having the gray colors. For us to see the color clearly, you can specify border property at the top right here. Just because we haven't discussed about this border property in details, we are going to understand some things about it. You can specify something. You can just specify. We are just using this just for you to see, to know that this is working perfectly. Back to our document. Can you see the dashed? See the way the dash is looking. It's looking nice. And one thing I want you to note right here at the top right here, I'm placing the border red, right? But let's say for instance now you kept this at the bottom of this border style. Save your document and see what will happen. Can you see? We are unable to see the border, and also we are unable to see the dashed. Even nothing is showing right here. The color even is gone. So definitely you should have the color before you specify what? Before you specify your border style. So save your document again and see what you got. Can you see? Now we are having it this manner. So and again also, if you remove this color right here, if you specify the color right here, you just put red color right here and save your document and reload. Let's see what we got. Can you see? We are not having the color again also, and also the border is no more there again. But if you notice very well, we are just having this our normal formal border there. So that's what you should know. So you have to practice this, because practice makes perfect. You shouldn't use color inside your border style property. So that's what you should got. So and again, save your document and see the dash will come back with the gray color. Can you see? The gray is there. But now let's use it with another element also. Let's use it with our body element. Let's use it with our body element. When you use it with your body element, save your document and reload. Can you see? It's looking nice. And if you use it also with another element like a div element, when we use it with our div element also, let's call this cool div. When we call this cool div and you save your document, come here right here and just give this one div. We select the div element, we use it with our div element, reload your document. Can you see our div element is having the border and it's looking nice? Even the background is showing there. Let's remove this background so you can see it clearly, so you can be able to see it clearly. Can you see the cool div is having the border dashed clearly? Everything is looking nice. So you should try your possible best with this, because if you can try it, that's why you are going to know that this is working perfectly. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. But before I go, make sure that you practice, because practice makes perfect. Have a great day. Thank you so much.